Affirmations for my brothers. I trust that the right opportunities are on their way to me. I am resourceful and capable of creating the life my family deserves. I am moving forward with faith and determination. Each step I take brings me closer to my purpose. I'm leading my family with love, strength, and faith. We are growing together and building a strong foundation for our future. I am disciplined and stay consistent, even when the path feels unclear. I'm unstoppable and I conquer every challenge I face. My vision is clear and I'm making it a reality one step at a time. I'm inspiring others through my faith and fitness work. I have the skills and passion to transform lives. God is guiding me to serve others in meaningful and impactful ways. My unique journey is a testimony of strength, resilience, and grace. I am growing into the person I'm called to be. Each day I take one step closer to achieving my dreams. I'm equipped to help others heal and grow. I'm balancing my ambition with patience and self-compassion. I am strong, capable, and worthy of respect. I am confident in my abilities and trust my own judgment. I am a powerful force for good in the world. I am proud of who I am and what I can achieve. I am open to new experiences and opportunities. I'm committed to my fitness goals and I will achieve them. I'm getting stronger and healthier every day. I have the energy and motivation to exercise regularly. I'm proud of my body and the progress I am making. I will fuel my body with healthy, nutritious food. It is safe for me to express my emotions. I'm worthy of love and connection. I'm open to vulnerability and intimacy. I'm capable of building deep and meaningful relationships. I'm learning to communicate my needs and feelings effectively. Let's go, King. You got it.